All right, guys. So the owner is officially coming to get his beautiful 250C Turtle with an M103 swap, boosted, EFI, full standalone, all done up. This thing is wild. It is wicked, guys. This is the last time you're ever going to see it on this channel. If you want to see more of it, you are going to have to go to Instagram, and you are going to have to follow our wonderful guy, Classic Ben's Coupe. But yeah, this thing it's ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin. Let's see if I can't set you guys up properly really quick. I know the car is very dusty. If you know where I live, you know exactly why. But all right, let's see if I can't figure out how to drive a standard. I'm not a real man, so I don't know how to drive one. I'm still learning. Just kidding. Just kidding. Of course I'm a real man. All right, let's go ahead and see what happens, y'all. Oh, so smooth, baby. Let's go ahead and pop our e-brake. There we go. Got this bad boy in first gear. Let's ride. Damn. Man, you could tell this little ass turbo, excuse my language, wants to spool so hard. I apologize for the quality, guys. I'm literally trying to drive with one hand, shift, do everything all at once. Again, I'm not the best video taker, so I do apologize, everybody. I think this thing is gonna need some gas as well. But there you have it, folks. I'm obviously not gonna get on it all crazy on the property. This car is way too clean to be ripping around in the dirt. Again, if you guys wanna continue to follow this amazing build, this awesome car, this sweet setup, please, please, by all means, follow our wonderful guy, Classic Ben's Coupe. He is an awesome dude. He is super freaking nice. He is very helpful. He can answer all your questions. And if you guys have any questions about the actual build itself, please feel free to ask away. I will answer all the questions I can, the best I can. But there you have it, folks. Again, I'm not going to get on it too bad. At least not in the dirt. But there is a full running and driving video. This thing is doing great and wonderful. Idle's perfect. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Let's go ahead and kill it. There we go. Oh, let's put on the e-brake. Don't want this thing rolling away. Again, this is a man's car. Cool. Man, I'm getting too old to be getting in and out of these dang cars. Let's go ahead and pop that hood real quick. Show you guys one more time. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching all the videos. Greatly appreciate y'all. If you guys haven't watched the entire build series on this beautiful thing, please definitely go check out my other videos. And we will see you guys next time. And the next time you see us, we will be working on my personal baby 190E Evo 1. I'll go ahead and show you guys really quick. Just a sneak peek for all you guys that are staying back and actually watching. I know, I still got to paint my hood. Shh, it's okay. And obviously I have to put on my body kit. But yeah, here it is, guys. Here it is. You ready? You ready? You ready? Look how dusty it is. It's so sad. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.